Hello everyone, Brittany here, back with another Lillian Fox nail rep haul. So this is the brand, the Lillian Fox. Pretty sure if you are, well, if you've been on my channel before, you'll see I do a lot of nail rep hauls, and I make a lot of short videos showing off once I finish them and everything. But I got quite a few today to show. Some I have used before and I just had reordered them, ones that I really liked, but I have a bunch of new ones, so I'm excited to show off. Alright, so this one here is a French tip red. It's got red with gold glitter. And then these are black and they got some silver glitter up there. They're pretty. I like those. I have used these before. They're black with the silver stars. I did like these. These are not like sparkly glitter, but the stars do shine though. They look really pretty. And these are some French tip as well. They're with silver glitter. And then these, I really wanted these before, but they were out of stock, so I'm glad they had brought them back, so I got the chance to get them. But they are zebra, black, and silver, and they are sparkly, very sparkly. They're really pretty. And these are pink leopard. I thought these were really cute. They also have glitter. So they really shine really pretty. I love their glitter nail wraps. I know I've mentioned it before, but I love the sparkly glitter and they last a really long time. And this, these have like little flowers. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of hard to, I hate, you know, having to show them off in this foil because it kind of reflects a little bit on the camera. But I don't like to open them because this does protect them better and keep them good until you use them. Once I open them and I use them, I usually just seal them really tight like in a Ziploc bag. And some people seal these back, but I find out putting them really tight in a Ziploc bag keeps them fine. And I've used them months later and they still work just as good. So these are black. And these, I cannot remember on the website if these are supposed to be like transparent with the silver or if they're actually white with the silver. I honestly do not remember. Sometimes their nail wraps look like, you do have to read it on their website because sometimes they'll look like they're white with the design, but they'll actually be like transparent, so they'll be clear, and then it does that little design on your nail. So sometimes you really do, just like with these, you know, they look like they're white backgrounds, but they're actually, you know, clear. So just to let you know, because I had bought a pair like at the very beginning when I started shopping at Lillian Fox, and I thought that they were going to be white background with black butterflies, and they were actually clear with the, but they're cute though, because you can put them on, you know, a bare nail, or you can actually layer them over another solid color, and it looks really cute, so they work. Now these are really pretty. I like these. They're like a purple glitter with the little black butterflies. I like butterflies, so anything that has butterflies, I'll be getting them. Now these are really sparkly too. They're like kind of ombre effect, and a bunch of different colors there. Kind of cool design. I thought they would look good. These are so cute. These just kind of give me like Barbie vibes. I don't know. It reminds me of, kind of gives me something like a Barbie from like the 1950s type, I don't know, with the little pink and black polka dots, and these, I thought they were cute. So, and then I got some leopard. Now these leopard ones are just leopard print. They are not glittery, so they have no glitter on those. These are supposed to be, I think they look like a marble look to me, but they're supposed to be like a sky color. I should do these today. They actually match my shirt and my glasses. But little purple with little daisy, little flowers. And I've used these before, but I like them. The pink is really, really pretty. I think these are called Bubblegum Pink. Sometimes they have the names on them, like right here on the little strip, but sometimes they don't. I wish they actually named them all, but they don't. So these are the mint, mint like green. I love the mint. I've used these before too, so I got more. The bubblegum pink and the mint green I love. So these are Leopard, but these do have glitter in them, so these do sparkle. And these I thought would be cute for 4th of July. Yes, I do buy in advance. If they have some for holidays, I buy them when they have them because, you know, sometimes they'll be out of stock or they won't get, you know, they'll be out of stock, but they won't get any more in. And sometimes for the holidays, they'll just make some sell out and they won't, you know, they won't have any more. So sometimes I do buy them in advance. So I got some for 4th of July. They have the little red, white, and blue hearts, and these are with the silver glitter. But I thought they were cute. I had to get them. So, and these just black and white. These are like little polka dot type things around there. These are not sparkly. And these are some more like marble look. And they have the gold glitter. And these, I really love this color. It's really pretty, kind of like an aqua blue. And it's got the gold glitter. I thought those were really pretty. These actually go good with my shirt and my glasses too. I can make them work. And these, I forgot the name of this. It's kind of like a bluish gray, I would say. It's hard to get the camera to focus on. And then of course I got some more French tip white, so they're clear, and then they got the French tip white. The French tips really look good on. I mean, they give you a perfectly done French manicure and they look really nice, so I ordered more of those. I thought these were pretty cool. They have like the moon and like they're really sparkly. They got, you know, all this is like some really pretty glitter. I thought those would be nice. And I love this pink, like a baby pink with the gold glitter. And these are really sparkly. These are like silver glitter with the flowers, but even the flowers are sparkly. It's really, I'm sorry, it's really hard to see, you know, with the lighting and with this foil packet, but they really are sparkly. I wish I could get them to focus. They look a lot better in person though. They're really, all their glitter ones are very pretty. And these are little white with black polka dots. And then these are black, but I've used some of these. I think I used them with the orange nail wraps when I did like a Halloween look in October. They're black and they have like a very light glitter in them, but they're really pretty though. I like it. Instead of just plain black, it gives a little shimmer in there. So. And then these are pretty. These are really sparkly too. They're blue and silver glitter. And I actually got these dark blue ones because I wanted to pair them together. Like do some accent nails and stuff. So I thought those was good. This is supposed to be like a little leopard print. I guess it does kind of look leopard. Yeah, I guess so. I thought I'd try them out. I like to try that. It was a new design, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to try it. And then they just got like the little ombre effect with a little design. And this is a little pink glitter on them. I thought they were cute too. And these are fun. I like how they have the feathers and the colors are pretty. These do not have, well, they do have a little bit of light glitter. It's really hard to tell, but you kind of see it in there. Yeah, so a little bit of glitter, not like a real solid thick glitter, but a little shim. So these are red with the gold and the little red flower. These are sparkly. And then I always get a lot of their flower designs because I do like flowers, so I always end up getting when they come out with some. These are, I thought they'd be cute to wear in February too for Valentine's. Has some little X's and O's and hearts. These remind me of like a mermaid look. I think they are. Well, these are, no, see, these have the name. They're blue Diamondback glitter. So they're like blue and then like black and dark blues in there too. But these are really sparkly too. They're really, really pretty. I thought these would be definitely fun. And these are cute too. I love all their nail wraps. They're like all such cute design. They're black and it looks like a little, makes it kind of look like a little present or something wrapped up. I thought they were fun. Okay, let's see. I think I already showed y'all. Let me see, because I think I got these in duplicates too. No, I did not. I got so many nail wraps here. Bear with me. Okay, I'm not sure. Well, yeah, I know I did show y'all these. I think I got 2 of these and 2 of these with the black and silver. And I did get a couple more of the French tips. I told you I do like these, and the pink and the mint green. I got some more of those. And these. So these are like a marble kind of, well, kind of like a marble. They're really swirly, but they're very pretty too. They have some glitter sparkle. I wish that you could see it. Well, there you go. Kind of see it there. Really pretty. And then I got these blue ones. Kind of give like an ombre effect on it. They're not sparkly or anything, but they do give like an ombre effect. So, all right. So that's all I have for today. I hope y'all enjoy. Of course, you know, I'll be having some more later on. So, you know, stay tuned and check back. You know, like I said before, I'm a very big fan of Lillian Fox nail wraps. I think they are wonderful. The designs are so cute. They're always coming out with new designs too. So you do have to, you know, check them out often. I did sign up on the newsletter, so that way as soon as they add new designs, I get an email and I'm like right there checking them out. So I always try to get the new designs as soon as they come out, because sometimes they do sell out really fast, and I never really kind of know if they're going to bring them back in stock or it's just whatever they have. So, but yes, I'm a very big fan. I definitely recommend them. They're very easy to apply, to remove. They last a really long time. And, you know, like I said before in my previous videos, I do put my hands through a lot of work. So, and they last on me. So I would definitely recommend checking them out. Thank you for watching, and I will catch up with you all later.